హే గాయ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు చింటు బిట్టు వ్లాగ్స్. ఇవాళ వ్లాగ్లో మనం మాట్లాడే దేని గురించి అంటే చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ టాపిక్ అనమాట. సో ఆస్ట్రేలియాకి రావడం వల్ల ఏమైనా యూజెస్ ఉన్నాయా, వస్తే ఏం బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏ కోర్స్ ద్వారా వచ్చినారు, ఆ కోర్స్కి ఇప్పుడు ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏమైనా బెనిఫిట్ ఉందా లేదా, పిఆర్ వస్తారా రాదా అన్నది జెన్యూన్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అనమాట. ఆల్రెడీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నా. సో నేను పీవై కోర్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన, ఆ కోర్స్లో ఉన్నా. సో దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఫ్రెండ్స్ అనమాట వీళ్ళు, వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇవాళ షేర్ చేస్తున్నారు మనకి. So he is my friend, Meet from Gujarat. So he is going to tell about himself and about his experiences in Australia right now. Yep.
Hi guys, my name is Meet Pandit. I have finished my master's degree in professional accounting, and currently I am working as a customer service representative, and I live in a regional area named Bathurst in the state of New South Wales.
How much did you save?
Being $5,000 per year, and I have paid my fees and everything, so I would say that I have saved roughly $12,000 per year, something roughly.
So you said
5 12 60,000 I have saved everything.
Okay,
in overall.
So is it from 2019 till 24?
Yes.
60,000 you have saved.
60,000 I wouldn't say that 100% is saving. I have मैंने कहीं पे invest किया है. I have paid off my loans and everything. So ऐसे करके I have saved money. And
okay. So how much was your university fees at that time?
At that time, when
altogether for 2 years.
Altogether for 2 years.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
So when I started, मैंने admission लिया था University of Wollongong में, and it is one of the most it is touted as top 2% university in the world. Obviously उसका फीस भी इतना ज़्यादा ही होगा.
ज़्यादा होता है.
Obviously. So उसका उस वक्त का फीस था, I am talking about 2019. It was roughly $16,500 per semester.
Seriously?
It was $16,500 per semester.
And so altogether, it's
altogether would say 31,000 after getting the scholarship and everything.
Oh, so you got scholarship from India or?
Yes, I got scholarship from India.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Yes.
So without scholarship, how much it will be?
For international students.
For your university, what you have studied for?
For my university at that time, it was 18,000 something. But after getting the scholarship, I paid 16,500.
So Indian currency में कितने होगा 2 साल पे?
See, you would say I don't know what's the conversion rate at the moment. It is 50, 55 roughly. It keeps fluctuating.
Yeah, so guys, it's 16,000 per one semester. So imagine we'll have 4 semesters. Some university will have 3 semesters per annum. That's tri-semester actually. But he had only 2 semesters per year. So you just need to know how much it is. You can type it on the comments how much he have spent for his education. And how much did you get loan, and how did you manage all those things? What kind of job did you do?
Oh, okay, yes. So that's a very, very deep question. So obviously, so हम इंडिया से जब आते हैं, so we have to get the loan because living expenses are very high. The market is not that big as compared to our own country. So we have to struggle a little bit in the initial period. थोड़ा सा हमें we have to look here and there to find a job. Loan किया था, study loan it was. So I have to work as a delivery driver. So यहाँ पे Australia में it is a culture of delivery. So initially when I was new here as a student, I started delivering on Uber Eats, and I would make $180, $200, and I was doing it on bicycle. It was a push bike. तो हाँ मैं ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
What about like is that the only job you did, or you did any other job which is not, which might scare people?
Which might scare people?
Yeah.
Obviously you have to go out of your you have to go out of your zone, because this is Australia, and आपको यहाँ पे काम करना ही पड़ेगा. If you don't bend your back, you will not survive here because the living expenses are absolutely high, as we discussed.
That's true.
So
what was your room rent?
Oh, at that in 2019 my room rent was $135 something per week.
Okay.
Whatever you earn, you spend, either whether it be a bill, your fees, your your phone bill, your grocery bills, or anything miscellaneous expenses.
So you said you did your master's in accounting. So what do you suggest your, like future generation who are planning to travel here for education on accountant? Is it really worthwhile spending that much of money on accountant, or you wanted to suggest anything to them?
If you are considering education as your primary thing, but if you are thinking of staying in this country for a long run or forever, then I would say that seeing the economic अभी की जो conditions देखे हम, तो it is going a little down. I mean, Australia is not that big market and they don't need accountants for, I would say, at least 10 years, because the volume is very high. No doubt about it that they need accountants, but they wanted a skilled people. If you have that skill, if you have that work experience, if you have worked as an accountant, chartered accountant, or if you are really good at your own field, then why not? Welcome to Australia.
And what about your PR? Do you have scope to get PR right now?
As I said, कि economic conditions अभी थोड़ी it's a little hard, and for accounting it is actually hard.
How many points did you collect till now?
My current points are, I have applied 189, 190 and 491, all the eligible pathways for PR. I have 70 points in 189, 75 for 190 because I am living in New South Wales, and 491 में मेरे हैं 85 points. I have applied for New South Wales and Western Australia, क्योंकि Western Australia अभी interstate भी accept कर रहा है, and I think until my knowledge Western Australia is also accepting international offshore students as well.
How much did you spend to collect all these points?
Yes, so that's a good question. So अभी तक का जो मैंने टोटल किया है, so whether it would be the migration fees, visa lodgement fees, my PTE fees, or anything either
NATI, PY,
what I haven't done NATI yet, but I have to do it eventually. मैं total अगर मैं कहूँ तो I have spent $9,000 in total till now for my PR.
So around 10,000. So just to gain all the points, you have spent 5 lakh Indian rupees.
5 lakh.
Apart from that, university fees was a different thing, completely different thing.
Yes. Accountancy, अगर आपका scope ही है that you want to become an accountant and you want to live in Australia forever, I would strongly suggest you think thrice.
Because you don't have scope to get PR here. I think he's struggling a lot. I have seen him since I think 3 to 4 months when I started my course, and he finished almost all the things like PT, NATI, he's going to do it, PY he's going to finish in few more, I think 1 more month, and then he have got 70 to 75 points, and now recently they got an update that what was that?
Yeah,
Accountants.
they have NSW government has removed accountancy and all the related occupations closely related to accountants. They have removed from 190 and 491 from their occupational list.
So it's very hard to get a PR for accountant in New South Wales. Imagine how difficult it is. And he have spent around let's go with $60,000 for university, 10,000 for PR processing, and he's going to spend more and more. So it will be around $80,000 to $90,000,
yes.
Approximately 40 to 50 lakhs. He have spent. He's going to spend more, and that's to get PR. And we are not sure whether we are going to get PR or not. So imagine, guys. I don't know what to say. If you want to come, make sure you just verify everything, whether it's really good to get into this course or not. And then, and when you go to the agencies, likewise, there are many agencies here. If you go there, they might push you in a big ocean and they will tell you have got these many options and we can't choose anything at that time because that's really hard. We think that this is best option, but later they might take out from the PR list itself. So how hard it is.
It is a trending thing, and that's the easiest and and the I would say the scariest way to manipulate anybody, because after spending this much money, after spending this much of time, after giving this much of time and energy and everything, तो what the least as a person we expect कि yes, you get some
PR.
surety, you get some certainty,
Yes.
but as they say in Australia, PR is a privilege, PR is not a gift.
Yeah.
So it is like you give, and then you are allowed to stay here.
Yeah. So that's about the accountant field. So he have given a very good feedback and review about accountant, how it's going to be and all. So thanks a lot for this, Meet.
No
And
worries.
maybe I'll get another person who got a job in accountant and how he's going to explain his situation in a while. Thank you all.